Hello. Content automation is very interesting. Hope you guys are having a good night. We are automating our content. So I'm gonna take actually are you do nice and bottom of funnel. Let's just pop that in the oven. Nice. Making content. Automated content. This is me making content. Oh, darn, so hard. So hard to create content. Oh my gosh. I remember the days I would have to sit and go, man, what would I have to create content on? Nope. Not anymore. I do need to break this bad boy up a little. It's like, give me some electrolytes. I know, it looks like I'm working hard, but I am. I'm making content right now. Seriously, using AI content. This is the most boringest part of the job. Hi, Nietzsche. When you automate your content, hello everyone on YouTube. When you automate your content, I just have to kill time. So I'm creating content. The thing's working. As you can see here, there you go. Right now, it is processing my avatar. So I'm creating content. I know I should probably be working harder. Nice. Perfect. Oops. We made some magic. Oops. What's up? What's up? And then I even think we have some I even think I have what is it? Some automation. Okay, hold on one second. Wash my hands real quick. Ooh, very nice. Okay, while this automation is just going on, the models are working pretty good. We already have a talking avatar.
What if I told you that trying to master AI is actually making you all less productive? Most people are stuck drowning in manual work, thinking more prompts are the answer, but that's not it. I used to be exactly where you are, juggling a full-time job and a side hustle, feeling completely overwhelmed by AI. Then I realized the missing piece wasn't more knowledge, it was real infrastructure. That's why I built the Q1 2026 AI Systems Architect Roadmap. It's not just a course, it's the exact system I use to transform people from AI frustrated, AI empowered in just 90 days. We update it quarterly because the AI world moves that fast. If you're tired of manual tasks and ready for an AI system that actually works for you, comment roadmap and I'll send you all the details.
Not bad. Michelle, hello. What are we doing for content automation? I like that. Welcome. Basically, I'm launching an app that you guys can eventually subscribe to create content like this with your talking avatar at scale, so that you could just pump out. So right now it takes 10 minutes to create one piece of content. This is just one part. This is just my avatar. That's just one part of the whole video. I just piped in a content idea, like pretty much talking about the AI certification program. That's separate. But I want to create content talking about it because I'm promoting it. So I'm like, I don't have to get on camera. I don't have to read a script. I just pasted the whole text. I mean, here's the whole text right here. That's all I gave it. Are you drowning in manual work while trying? Are you drowning in manual work while trying to keep up with AI? Do you have a full-time job, side hustle business? You gotta do content creation, which is another full-time job, let's be honest. Email, operations, marketing, and somewhere in there, you're supposed to master AI. It was way too fast, the tempo. Yeah, we could slow it down. That's very easy to do. I kind of want to tweak it, especially for in fish.audio. We can actually make nice. So from this, then it goes ahead and generates the image prompt, the video prompt, the script, what's going to be all the talking head, all the points that you're going to talk about. It wrote all the. Guess how much it costs to write all of this? A penny. Not even a penny. It's like 0.001, which is like wild. It did all the text for all the different social media channels. It did this in 45 seconds. All the platforms. I love this thing. This is so cool. And then, yeah, even all the. It rewrote it for every platform. Every platform is completely different. The content. Like, it personalized it. How long does it take you to write a personalized context message for any piece of content that you create? So I wrote all that. And then let's take a look at where it's at. Okay, so it's generating the B-roll right now. We have a little processing queue. It takes about 10 minutes to create one complete video that looks something like this.
What if I told you the one thing holding your business back is just one book away? Seriously, imagine having more leads, more income, and more influence. It's not a dream, it's achievable. I've used this exact system to sell over 4 million books and generate $1.3 billion. You're a business owner, coach, or expert. You want to stand out, be the go-to authority, and build a business that lasts. The One Book Away Summit is your chance to learn the strategies to make it happen. This is a live 2-day event where you'll get the step-by-step system. Don't miss out on transforming your business forever. Save this for later and comment books to get your free ticket now.
Nice. So, well, this example was a demo. One of the clients is trying to sell. He wants to become how to become an author coach, basically. And he's like, "Oh my God, I don't have time to create content." So I was like, "Okay." So I copied his website, I gave it to the robot, and then in 10 minutes, it outputted this piece of content. He's like, "Shoot, that's better than any piece of content I've ever created on my own." How much it cost? Well, we're gonna have there's going to be a done for you option coming soon. You're going to eventually go to a website one day and actually just put in your text, describe your business, click run, and outputs the video with your avatar. So, coming soon. The UI that I saw on one of your lives was amazing and trying to recreate it since. I have a couple. You guys will know my style, especially when I vibe code. So, this is the content automation machine that I vibe coded. Really like it's all just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's all. There's nothing like fancy. There's nothing fancy in here. And then let's see how we're doing. So right now we're still generating the B-roll. Sometimes under the server under load gets kind of busy, but we just kind of sit and wait. Then there's even a little log. Yeah, they're all out to go get processed. So there's a little session log. All these dope features. So pretty much I'm just managing the production. I just have to feed this thing with content and it just pumps out content. So there's another one. Oh, B-roll is done. Give it a moment. What record is that one? 53? Cool. So he's like, ooh, thumbnail is complete. Generates a custom thumbnail, generates the script, generates the what you should say for every piece of content. Yeah, no biggie. No, it was like a content creator app, like 4 different platforms. 4 different platforms. That's basically what this one was. This is the evolution of that. There's the Opus clip. I have another app that's like this. Oh, it's done. Nice. So he's updating. He finished the B-roll. So if we look at the B-roll, so that's the B-roll for it. Good quality, huh? It's like the quality's great. And then it created a thumbnail. How do you get this app? Join the newsletter. Well, you have to join the community if you want to be part and get the actual software, but you have to be really good with like vibe coding. Basically, this is going to become a service coming soon so that you can create your own content. And then it does a thumbnail. So definitely join the emo newsletter. Super clean quality. It's good for what it is right now. There's a lot I could upgrade. The HeyGen model. There's new Nano Banana just came out even better. It's done. Okay, so that took about. I just started the live stream, so that took about 10 minutes. Literally 10 minutes. Guess how much it cost? Okay, wait. Let me show you the video first. Fresh out of the factory.
What if I told you that trying to master AI is actually making you all less productive? Most people are stuck drowning in manual work, thinking more prompts are the answer, but that's not it. I used to be exactly where you are, juggling a full-time job and a side hustle, feeling completely overwhelmed by AI. Then I realized the missing piece wasn't more knowledge, it was real infrastructure. That's why I built the Q1 2026 AI Systems Architect Roadmap. It's not just a course, it's the exact system I use to transform people from AI frustrated, AI empowered in just 90 days. We update it quarterly because the AI world moves that fast. If you're tired of manual tasks and ready for an AI system that actually works for you, comment roadmap and I'll send you all the detail.
Man, creating content is so hard. Ugh, so hard. Oh, guess how much that cost? That video took 10 minutes to create and cost $1.69. How long does it take you to create one piece of video and then publish it to 6 social media apps? And then what is your hourly rate? This app is dope, huh? Vibe coded, Claude Code. I teach Claude Code. Come learn to Claude Code in my community where we're teaching it this week. We're already day 2 in it. Yesterday was fundamentals. Today we vibe coded websites and hosted them on a website so that you could drop your website cost to $3 a month. If you're spending more than $3 a month, come join. We'll show you how to cut that cost. What site are you using? This is my site, my app. This is all vibe coded. Usually I see those type of videos on TikTok and I skip them away. What are you using? See, it's all about, it's just like everyone vibe codes and shows Claude Code and Terminal, but they have no style. This is like boring. Like this is a full content production app so that, okay, so I like that piece of content. I reviewed, I QA, I like it. This is my job. Then I go to the schedule button. I gotta stretch my finger. Okay, I gotta press a button. Boop. It's now scheduling. It's designed to schedule to publish 3 times a day, actually 4 times a day every day. So if we go into the settings here, this app is designed to publish 4 times a day every day. It could be once a day, twice a day, 3 times, 10 times, whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. But like 99 for the community. Yeah. Oh, don't worry, Michelle. If that's a stretch, that's just not a business. Yeah, I would say your business is at a different stage. So save up. I have a ton of free YouTube content, and then when you're ready, definitely want to jump in. So this vibe code, Devin. Hey Devin, good to see you. So now my community members are starting to come in. So now what it does is it finds the next time slot and then it automatically schedules to publish multiple times a day. It will find the next time slot and fill the slot so that you're stacking content and publishing consistently every single day. Isn't that wild? D Hine says, how do you join the community? Join the community, link in the bio, and you get access to the software. Yes, you get access to the software if you join the community for $97 a month. I know, outrageous, so expensive. But then again, while I'm producing content, 90 videos a month, while I'm producing 90 videos a month without lifting a finger, and they're only costing me $1.69, and you're going to be struggling to create content, like, gotta create content. Pretty cool if I could get the quality of the video up. Oh, don't worry, the quality of the video is going to get better. It's already producing content. It's already increasing my views. It's been increasing the views, bringing in subscribers, and I haven't gone on camera yet. Now you just do live streams, which is nice. But I thought I'd come on with you guys and create content with the machine. So let's create another piece of content just to show. I'm gonna take this. Nice. This, I'll wait for it to load. This is the AI Systems Architect certification. It's pretty much the same one. We just upgraded the whole curriculum. If you're a member in the community, you guys have access to this as well too. If you join the email list, you could also get this as well too. Email list is at the same website. And this goes through what does it take to go completely beginner in AI to AI expert or AI developer or AI systems architect, where you're building a content automation machine, you're building a high-ticket sales system, you're automating your workflow, you're building AI agents, and you're building and deploying custom automation apps. So this is a 3-month program that goes through everything. I took it from base 1, like literally level 1. Like you just found out about ChatGPT yesterday, level 1. It does require you to get a Mac. You cannot go through this curriculum with a PC. You have to get a Mac. And then from there, we're going to set up your workstation. We're going to set up your environment. We're going to make sure you have the right setup on your space. I know all the people on PC right now are like, what do you mean I can't do AI with PC? What do you mean? I love Copilot. Copilot's AI. IDE, VS Code, super simple. Really doesn't matter. We just want to get you comfortable with Claude Code, especially in it. No need to learn Claude Cowork. You're going to be super powerful with Claude Code. So that's just the basics. Then we got to teach you image, video, text, just get you comfortable with the basics. You got to go through Google Suite because Google has such a good AI suite. Like they have Notebook LM, come on, Nano Banana Pro, Google AI Studio, and they're all free. Get out of here. So good. You got to learn all those. Those are fun. Those will just amazing. Hello, Gabrielle. We're going through the whole curriculum of the AI systems architect. What does it really mean to become an expert and know AI? When you think you know AI, this is what you're going to base your level at. Are you at a level 1 where you're like, level 1, I don't even have a PC. I don't even have a Mac. Oof. And ChatGPT, Cloud, and Gemini, and GenSpark. What's a GenSpark? I don't even have a GenSpark. What's a GenSpark? And then Cider. Why is he using Cider? Oh yeah, prompt engineering, but wait, Markdown. I've never heard of Markdown before. And so this is where you can gauge where you are and where you want to be when it comes to everything when it comes to AI, which is super fun. But this is specifically AI for business. So you can get more leads, get more sales, use it in your business, save time. Hope you're having a blessed day, Gabrielle. Then go into month 2. Now automations. Just NAN. Keep it simple. Nothing complex. We are not building anything complex in NAN. A complete waste of time. Claude trumps NaN. And you'll never have to touch another no-code tool once this is done, because we need to get you to become an AI vibe coding developer. Yes, I want you to become an AI vibe coding developer, and we'll get you there. So from here, now we're going to get you comfortable with APIs, webhooks, services like OpenRouter, systems connections, content automations, building a system, a simple sales system, automated. Oh, everyone's gonna love vibe coding. By the way, hold on. Let me create some content. I'm gonna copy this, paste. I want bottom of funnel, hard sell. If you know, you know. Pop it in. That's it. That's done. That's my whole job for creating content. Now I could play with you. The automation will now start the machine and start start going through. So while I talk to you guys for the next 10 minutes, start the timer, 10 minutes, this piece of content will turn into a video that will look exactly like this.
What if I told you that trying to master AI?
So we'll get a video like this. Blanca says, what are the prerequisites? Honestly, just a Mac. Honestly, you do have to budget for software. I would budget like $100 a month in subscriptions minimum, and I would say you'll do fine. That's enough to be dangerous. That's the only prerequisites. Like curiosity to learn. Then let's keep going. Now the fun part, programming, and the best part about programming, you don't have to write a single line of code. Nope, no coding. You're gonna take a software development course and you're not gonna learn coding. No need. You will be able to vibe code your own software as a service and sell it and make money off that. While everyone else is selling custom GPTs and prompts, you'll sell software as a service. You'll have the skills to build the idea, to deploy it, to paywall it, to then scale it. Yes, without writing a single line of code. Shocker, I know. That's the future we live in. That's the benefits of AI. What's your website? Simple Tech Skills. You know the rest, yeah. But Simple Tech Skills. There we go. Oh, we're not done. That's just week 7. Now you built this app, you built these automations, your vibe coding content automation apps. Now you need to host it. Now we need to get you to host this off your computer. Virtual private servers. We're going to get you into all in Hostinger. We're going to get you into self-hosting NaN, so you don't have to pay the $25 tax. You could drop it down to like $7 a month and have NaN unlimited NaN for $7 a month. Game over. Oh, hear that sound? My avatar has done, he came back from filming. Let's take a look at the avatar.
What if you could become an AI expert in just 90 days? Most people think it takes years, but I'm going to show you how a beginner can transform. This isn't just theory, it's about building real money-making AI systems. I achieved this by mastering enterprise AI platforms and building my own AI assistant. In just 90 days, you can go from zero to deploying automated marketing and high-ticket sales systems that run 24/7. Here's the roadmap. First, master AI literacy and workspace setup, including prompt engineering. Then dive into advanced AI tools for image and video generation. Finally, you'll learn to deploy self-hosted applications and create monetized AI products. Ready to become an AI systems architect? Click the link in bio to join my AI community and start your 90-day transformation today.
That's just the avatar. I just pasted the whole document that we just did. I just gave it to the automation, and it read the script and wrote a script, and he read the script. Perfect try. So we have about another 5 minutes before the video is done. Just like Thanos, it's assembling all the elements for a video, and so it's going through that. But back to our thing. Oh, by the way, hold on. What am I doing? Hold on. How rude of me. Hold on. I have pictures. Why am I making you like read text? Ew. I'm an AI consultant. I can make pictures of everything that I want. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Please. Take a screenshot and like. This is what your goals are to become AI proficient. Not ChatGPT prompts. No, you should be mastering enterprise level AI platforms and tools, building personal AI assistants with custom knowledge bases, deploying automated marketing systems using AI avatars for 24/7 content publishing, launch high ticket sales systems that sells premium product or services 24/7 without a sales team, automated workflows that save you 24 hours a week. I mean, just moving you to Mac, I get 4x your productivity. So that's why I feel confident with that stuff already. Um, Deploy self hosted applications on cloud servers. Sounds pretty technical. It's not technical. We make it so easy, there is no technical skills behind this. None. If you can open an iPhone or open your phone, you could do this. That's all. That's the prerequisite. If you could change the settings on your phone, you can master AI. There's no coding. You want to create monetized AI products and digital SaaS offerings. Why Mac? Oh, JSO. We have a lot. There's. We just started a live stream. There's not enough hours to go about PC versus Mac, but trust me when I say, just come attend some of the workshops. Just see how the people work and flow. You'll be like, you guys are moving fast. What's going on with that? Something different. And then lastly, learn programming fundamentals for AI development. Yes, you will learn programming fundamentals. You will learn software development, but you won't have to write a single line of code. What's up, David? Good to see you, David. And then that looks dope, right? Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. And I put Q1 because every 3 months, this whole curriculum is going to change. The whole curriculum is going to change in 3 months. Oh. My automation's done. It did something. I don't know. Let's wait for it. What are you chiming about? Oh, he's editing right now. Okay. Compositing means that he's editing the entire film together. So we will have a piece of content based on what I'm talking about in about 45 seconds, almost about 1 minute. Ooh. Can't do this on a PC. Oh. There you go. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. We're far beyond prompts and just ChatGPT. I'm going to start you from the base ground. This is the whole curriculum from base ground level 1, and then where do you grow from there? You got to go Mac computer, you got to master the 4 wise men, you have to use Nano Banana, which is graphic. Ooh, it's done. Hold on. He's done. Okay, hold on. He's gonna refresh. You're gonna see this row light up. I think I gotta refresh. Like Christmas, all the lights light up. Here's the video that we just popped out based on the script that we're reading that we popped in 10 minutes ago. Did you see me work hard? Oh, content's so hard. Oh my God, I gotta get on camera. What do I say? What do I create content? Oh my God, I'm so tired. Creating content is so hard. Oh.
What if you could become an AI expert in just 90 days? Most people think it takes years, but I'm going to show you how a beginner can transform. This isn't just theory, it's about building real money-making AI systems. I achieved this by mastering enterprise AI platforms and building my own AI assistant. In just 90 days, you can go from zero to deploying automated marketing and high-ticket sales systems that run 24/7. Here's the roadmap. First, master AI literacy and workspace setup, including prompt engineering. Then dive into advanced AI tools for image and video generation. Finally, you'll learn to deploy self-hosted applications and create monetized AI products. Ready to become an an AI systems architect? Click the link in bio to join my AI community and start your 90-day transformation today.
I am going to put this guy through so much work. He's going to beg for a union. He's going to be like, I'm working overtime. Boss makes me work so many hours, so much. Oh my God, he's pumping out so much content so hard, right? I'll just let this play in the background from there. So you pipe in, you just paste any idea, website, and it will write scripts. You could change the avatar. It could be you. It could be someone else. Doesn't even have to be a real person. So this is just one format. Like this is where this and he's talking head. That's one format. There's other formats too for it. So, and now, wait. It's done, but it's not done yet. Wait. We have to do more work. Oh, more work. Yeah, I gotta create more work. One more thing. If I scroll over, I gotta press the schedule button. So hard. I'm so tired. Let me stretch. I don't want to pull a finger. Hold on. It gets pretty. Working is dangerous. Oh, okay. I got this. Don't mess this up. No pressure. Oh, we almost lost it. Thank God. We were here to press the button. Oh, so hard. Oh my gosh, so hard. Now it's going to get scheduled. Now it's going to find the next published date and it's going to schedule. You'll see that change in just a moment. How much did that cost? $1.69. I'm going to go bankrupt. Oh my God. Creating content's going to bankrupt me. Oh my, I'll never be able to keep up with the gurus. Oh, so you will see this video on the 15th at whatever 1500 is. I don't know military time. Whatever the 15th time. Let's create more content. I'm not done. I'm creating content. It's so hard, guys. So hard. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna just do the same thing. And we're gonna do top of funnel. Oh, where's my I want to create a little new, something new. Hold on. Let me go from GenSpark. Let's see. Hold on. Write me 5 pieces of content related to my ideal customer profile. Each one is focusing on one of the pain points. And I want you to create them, make each one about 500 characters. Hook, question, call to action. I want a question to start them off. And then call to action. Make it value add too. Yeah, okay, cool. I have a GenSpark conversation on the other side. He's going to create some content for us, or scripts. We're just going to copy paste those scripts in, and then we'll just, yeah, that's going to work out. And then we'll just create more content. I don't want to come up with ideas here. Let me close some tabs here. Okay. See, he's writing content for us. Oh my God, time poverty. Starts with the pain. Are you overwhelmed with AI? Put a number 1 if you're overwhelmed with AI. Everyone. That's everyone. Come on. It's like, do you breathe oxygen? I'm overwhelmed with AI. Are you kidding me? Like, get out of here. I'd be crazy if I said I wasn't overwhelmed with AI. I'm human just like you. So, okay. So, because yeah, see me and David, like I'm overwhelmed, like I'm going crazy, like you- no one likes keeping up with AI. It's insanity. Every week it's like new. Hey, all those 3 months or 6 months of learning NAN eliminated, irrelevant. 6 months of learning NAN, irrelevant. You just have to be learn the basics, just super basic. It's really helpful. It's better than Zapier and Make.com anyways, but just learn the basics. But that's it. Like spend 2 weeks on it, you're good. Okay, we're gonna create content. I copy content. This is content. Copy. If you can copy, you could do this. Ready? Copy, copy. I'm gonna paste it right here. Paste. I'm gonna choose bottom of funnel. I should default it to that. And go. Then I'm gonna take the same piece of content, paste it top of funnel. Go. And then I'm gonna take the same piece of content, middle of funnel. Go. So that one piece of content will generate 3 pieces of content at top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel intent. So he will rewrite the script for each top, middle, and bottom of funnel. Top is for, hey, do you have said interest? Middle of funnel is, hey, other people have this problem. Here's how to fix it, just like. And then bottom of funnel is like, hey, I've helped other people with this problem. Come work with one-on-one with me and I can solve said problem. So, whoa. So now we're doing 3 at a time. Yeah, you could just feed it with content and just David, I think I figured out a better way to share the app with you. I think we're going to be sharing it on Railway instead of it may be easier for you, but some people were having trouble downloading from GitHub. Um, so I think we're testing out sharing it on Railway so that they can just get a Railway account, they get the deployment, and then they can just hook up their own API keys and then they can run this. So if you're in the community, you get this app. He's like, I got the GitHub. Okay. Yeah, so if you're in the community, I give you this app because I want you to crush it. Crush it in 20. Not only that, I want you to learn vibe coding, more importantly. Like, I really want you to learn vibe coding. Oh, there we go. It's lagging. Okay. Oh, because he's loading. That's why it's lagging. Confetti. I love confetti. I want confetti like the Matrix, but I'm not doing any software updates tonight. I was up till 1 a.m. last night. I've been up since 1 a.m. every night. Vibe coding. I am making sure I'm getting every penny worth of my Claw subscription. I am milking every. They're gonna look and be like, John, can you please not renew? That's what I want Claude to say to me. They're like, John, please don't renew. You're burning all our credits. All right, I have some specific questions. Can you DM? Yes, Sheila. If you guys have questions, send me a direct message. Happy to answer questions about the community, JSO as well too. I make myself pretty accessible. I try my best to serve because I want you guys to crush it with AI. This is just inspiration. If I can do it, you can do it. I am not tech savvy. Well, I kind of, but I did not write a single line of code. I just said, Claude, I want this. And Claude said, yeah, he can do it. And then I just told Claude, I want more. And after you tell him you want more 150 times, you end up with this. I'm working on a workflow in Comfy to locally generate the content instead of needing. Yeah, that's the next thing, David. I'm already looking. There's some shoot. There's local models now that are more optimized because that would drop if we do the math kind of thing here. Um, so it actually breaks down the cost. How dope is that? Like I saw this in Vappy, and I like how they allocate. This shows you like where the total, how the cost is allocated or broken up. They do this in Vappy, and I love that. So I wanted to add that to my feature to my app, and I'm like, yeah. So the B-roll is 76 cents in total. So I'm generating four 10-second videos, and it's costed me 76 cents. Oh, it's so expensive. So expensive. Oh my god, what am I going to do? It's so expensive. I can't do this. I'm gonna have to take out a loan. I have to mortgage my house. Oh my gosh. API fees. I I have spent a lot on API fees. I've spent like 75 bucks in API fees just testing this, basically. Like that's which is not bad to get to where it's at right now. It's like not bad. Like because then it just cost optimization. Okay, so then the HeyGen cost no, Gabrielle, you're too kind. You're too kind. You give with your gifts already. You give with the hearts. Your give rallying everyone to get to 10K more. HeyGen is 75 cents. The B-roll is 76 cents. Back in my day, a HeyGen avatar used to be 76 cents. Now it's $247. Inflation. If grandpa, we don't measure tokens anymore, grandpa. To do all the editing for the video is 12 cents. To generate the thumbnail, 5 cents. Oh, I'm a big spender here, Jesus. To do the audio is 1 penny. To do all the copywriting, which I would pay 10 times more just for the copywriting alone. I want just the copywriting alone. The words and everything. I just want that. That cost 0.001. I feel like Office Space. 0.001 to do all the writing for all the copywriting. Not bad. We did go up. We went up in cents from $1.33 when we were using Sora, but I'm not gonna lie, Sora, the quality sucked. And the policy errors and the server load, Sora was not, I don't recommend Sora. If you hook up AI or like APIs, it's not reliable, not reliable. So now we're using, I think it's Seedance. So I'm happy with that. We're on version 3.5. It's like, that makes total sense. Oh yeah, I'll spend this all day, every day. See, this, I would be a gambling addict. Like, okay, how are you doing? Okay, they're just kind of just in the oven, cooking, generating B-roll for all the videos. So 4 videos we're generating right now. There's a limit to how much screenshots you can upload per chat thread. Yeah, there is. Let me see. I'm going back to your guys' comments. AI Washila, good to see you. And then I have the models just learning the prompting. Very nice. Yeah, we will go local models just to cut that cost, because then you can just pump it out. Perfect price for learning. The platform you're using, is it the app you mentioned or Claude? Blanca, this was good question. This is just the whole app itself is vibe coded. Claude, make sure. Yeah. Let me get a new conversation. We're kind of been hanging out in there. Just me and Claude. VS Code. Highly recommend VS Code. Highly recommend. Don't do terminal. Do not do, unless you're a software developer. If you're a software developer, don't listen to me. Do not listen to me. Nothing to see here. Move on. Nothing to see here. This is nothing. We're just vibe coding here. But VS Code, free, and Claude Code, great pairing. Great. Like yin and yang, like Lower and Hardy, like so highly recommend get a Claude subscription. Now, the app is just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. That's all. That's the whole app. The whole app. There's nothing else that's conflict in there. It's using two API services for the text and the images and video. It has a bunch of pre-prompts. All the prompts are just loaded inside. Um, has a database, real simple database. And then I've just been asking for new features. I'm like, I want this now. I want this now. Fix this bug. There's lots of fixing, lots of like to iterate like every element takes like 45 iterations. The thumbnails, the B-roll. Um, nice, Sheila. Definitely talks in. Yeah, this whole I really love. Oh, he's working right now. Wait. Hey, we just lost our server. Oh, hey, Raz. Oh, actually, okay, let me teach you guys something. This is so cool. This is so cool. Hold on. You guys would like this. Okay. It's kind of hard to see, but when you guys vibe code, and if you do it in Python, I don't know if it's strict restricted Python, but ask Claude to create a dot command file. Dot command file. That way, when you vibe code this awesome tool, you don't have to load VS Code and you don't need Claude to run it. Whenever you're ready to run it, you just go to your folder and just like a application folder or just like an app, when you double click that dot command file, it runs terminal and loads the server. So it runs the terminal command. Terminal, it's just terminal. It just runs in the background. And then now your server is running on your computer. Now you can deploy this to Railway, and now it's a yourprofessionalwebsite.com, and you go and you log in, has special password access, and now you can access your app on the web. That's the workflow. That's all. Push it to GitHub. That's all. You're just vibe coding on your computer. When you like it, push it to GitHub. Once it's on GitHub, it auto deploys to Railway, and Railway is it's a hosting service for applications, and then you just pay per use, how much you use, or you share your app. If you want users to come in, you could do logins, you could do databases. Real simple. It's like the easiest workflow, but with that you can build anything. You can build any wrapper, you can build any app, CRM, website. How's he doing? Okay, he's just, let's see if there's a check waiting button here. And there's a little log. Check for items, and they're still processing. Cool. Pull in the item. Perfect. You get a little log. None of these features existed. I just asked for them. I'm like, I want a log. Tell me what's going on, what you're doing. And so I took his little session log and timestamp. I'm like, I want a progress bar. It's like, you want a progress bar? Yeah, I'm on a progress bar. By the way, with VS Code, going to post about this in the community. Don't trust, do you trust this author's plugins? Oh, that's good to know. Definitely post about that, David. I would definitely want to read that because I press yes. So who would be your clients? Excellent question. If you are, well, my ideal clients are people that are business owners and professionals that are drowning in manual work and you can't keep up with AI while running your business. You're working full time and a side hustle and you have no time left. There's no time. John, I would love to create content, but I don't have time. Weekends, you're consumed with business. You're working business on the weekends. Red flag. You're working 60 to 80 hours a week. Not sustainable. Red flag. You're missing family time and you're burnout, and there's not enough hours in the day. Also, you're overwhelmed with AI. I know AI is the answer, but where do I start? Landscape changes too fast. Every 3 months, I got to change the curriculum. Like this curriculum, I got to change this every 3 months. Like it's a whole new curriculum, whole new game. Workflows are different, apps are better, everything improves. Um, and then you're overwhelmed with information. You've bought courses, you've got prompts, but nothing's working. You're not actually seeing an improvement. Gabrielle's like, I think I just got you a member who joined, Jonathan. Gabrielle, too, like, we have an affiliate program, too. I have affiliate programs for both the community and my one on one coaching package, which is high ticket. That referral is like 400 plus dollars for just referring someone. So if you want to make $400 just referring someone, just tell them to sign up with one-on-one coaching with me. That's all. Anyways, I mean, that's an easy side hustle. Um, Content creation, you're frustrated. You're like, can't. There's not enough time. Video editing takes hours. These are the people that I could transform your life with AI and automation. Basically, the whole curriculum, all the stuff I've been showing, we have solutions for all this. So you shouldn't be working longer in your business. Isolation, so that transformation, you're saving. I love that statement, 24 hours a week. That's actually pretty easy. I know it's shocking. I could save you a full day every single day for the rest of your life. 24 hours back in your life to do whatever you want. I block off Mondays. For me, I don't work Mondays. Like, can't work, don't work, can't get on my calendar on Mondays. I have 24 hours saved, a full working day that I just do nothing. You're working, not working weekends. You're not working weekends or nights unless you want to. You have time to focus on strategy. Definitely want to increase revenue at the end of the day, because fixing revenue is just two things: fixing your marketing and fixing your sales. Shocker. Get more content or ads, get a 24/7 VSL sales system, done. Now you can sell and content without doing the content grind. High ticket webinar funnels, fastest way to make money without doing content. Yes, you never, the secret marketing gurus don't want you to know. As a marketer, it's just bad when you just like know, like it just like, it's like Tourette's. It just comes out like marketing copy. Marketing secret that marketers don't want you to know. You don't have to create content to make money online. What, John? Yeah. People are just running ads to a webinar and selling a $2,000 plus product. That's all. And then they've spent money to META or FB or INSTA. I know, like a third grader, we got to spell things, but and they do the marketing. They go find the clients. The algorithm knows you better than you. They'll find the ideal client and then send them to a webinar and then sell a $2,000 product on the back end. Solve a big problem. Um, that's the whole. You never have to create content. I have clients that never create content. All we do is spend money on ads. Sometimes it's FB Insta, sometimes it's Google, and then we just spend money on ads. They have a landing page that says, do you have a problem? I help people with this problem. Here's people that I've transformed with said problem and now their life is better. Here's how to work with me. Book here. And then 2% traffic says, oh yeah, books now. They're very fast. They make money. That's it. That's the marketing game. That's the whole. I just demystified all of digital, decade of marketing in that just 10 seconds. Versus everyone, create more content. No, don't create more content. Like, get an ad budget, run the ads, disappear offline. Like, have a faceless business. Um, Productivity systems, cost optimization. What is? Oh yeah. Blah 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 blah. So that's just like. Anyways, more importantly, how's my content doing? How's my content sweat factory? Like, I am making these agents and avatars work. I've got a whole sweat factory going on. Like, faster. This is bad. Okay, so 57, 58, you can see the different record numbers. They should be different 3 variations, which is kind of interesting too. And it's just generating the B-roll that takes the longest. When you guys do prompt engineering, this is why you're doing prompt engineering. So the script writer, the content generator, or caption generator, like what's the caption or prompts per platform? This is your prompt engineering. This is why you're learning prompt engineering, so that you write prompts that replace people's full-time jobs. I don't need anyone to write captions anymore. Fired. I don't need anyone to write scripts anymore. Fired. I don't need a graphic designer to create thumbnails. Fired. I don't need anyone to do any editing. My video editor. That's what this guy is. Fired. They're prompts now. That's how terrifying it is to replace someone's job. You could just replace them with some automation and some prompts. This is no different than like an NAM workflow. No different. Make.com, Zapier, no different. And then you're just putting in all the prompts. So the crazy thing is, this dude, sorry.
How many hours did you work last?
That means this dude gets better over time. The quality of the graphics will improve over time. The quality of the script writing will improve over time. 10K likes, let's go. 10K every day. Everyone sharing the likes, sharing the secrets, showing you guys how to automate. Join the community. Get this app. Then automate your content. And then you're like, saves you a ton of time. Like, this is what it's about. I want you to buy your time back. I want you to have time. Time is the most valuable commodity. Come on now. So let's check out our content. We'll lower the voice for him. Okay. I didn't have to get on camera. I didn't have to read a script. I didn't have to make mistakes. Like, perfect right out the gate. Terrifying.
How many hours did you work last week? 50, 60, 80? And how many of those hours were spent on tasks AI could have done in 10 minutes? The brutal truth is, you're not busy because you have too much work. You're busy doing manual tasks that should be automated. Last week, I showed a client how to automate 15 hours of content creation, 8 hours of emails, and 6 hours of presentations. Now he works 20 hours less per week, same revenue, better quality, and actual weekends. The difference isn't working harder, it's having infrastructure that works while you don't. Want to see how? Comment time and I'll send you the exact automation roadmap that bought him back 20 hours every week.
There's some errors there with the script, but not bad. We didn't have to create any of that content. And then that's just one. We have another one.
How many hours did you work last week? 50, 60, 80? And how many of those hours were spent on tasks AI could have done in 10 minutes? You're not busy because you have too much work.
So, generated all of those. Now we're just waiting for the B-roll to complete. And then more content. Schedule all my content. Oop. Uh-oh. Look at this. I forgot to schedule this piece of content. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me do a little Q&A. Quality assurance.
What if I told you the one thing holding your business?
That's just an example. We could delete him. Delete this one. Delete. Funny thing, before it didn't have, you got to program everything, like delete buttons, the check buttons. Like, it doesn't come out of the gate like this. But over time, you're like, I want ID numbers. I want check buttons. I want change the status. I want search. Well, I deleted it. It was good. Aww. So I should probably program a trash can where if you delete things, they just get saved in the trash can. So you don't delete them or accidentally delete them. That would be a very good feature to add. We're going to add that. Hey Claude, I want you to add a feature that's a trash can. So when people delete records, it doesn't actually delete it. It actually just puts it in a trash can. And then every 30 days, no, it just manually has to be deleted after. In the trash can, there's like a manual delete. So we would like to use a soft delete when people delete records from the main dashboard, and then in the settings, you could put it at the very bottom of the settings. That's where you could just bury it. See, user feedback, add a new feature, voice to text, press enter, sit and wait. And then you get a new feature. Ah, soft delete. Ah, we're learn. That's why it's dope to hang out with software developers, because then you learn cool things like SQLite and APIs and webhooks and callbacks and databases and LoRa's. Like I learn all from David. If you want, again, if you want a real software developer to build your app, you should check out Coder Dude David. Say hi to David. He's like, yeah. So always have your apps reviewed by a software developer. Practice safe vibe coding. I want you to have a good time on slopes. like it's like it's a skiing thing, like snow skiing. He's gonna add that feature. We're gonna get a version bump. I'm trying to think of some other features, but that's pretty good. Man, takes a long time with the B-roll. Check the waiting. They're still processing. What's up with item 46? 46. Oh, 46 never got made. I'll just take 46 and change him back. To just rerun. We'll just throw him avatar done. That will kick him back. 11K likes. You guys are insane. You guys want to automate your content? John, make us no more content. You know, you remind me of a character on Star Trek, the Collector. Why am I going to start downloading that and watch that? The Collector. I like to think of myself as Brainiac from is it Marvel that has Brainiac? I think it is. I just want to scoop up all the information, just and so, ooh, 76 cents. Big spender. How many have you made and scheduled tonight? Excellent question, Liberty. We've only done these. So from here. So we have these that are scheduled. Actually, here. So we've produced 2 that are scheduled right now, and we have 3 in the production pipeline right now. And then I love this little thing, intent. Top of funnel, middle of funnel, top of funnel, middle of funnel. That's also really helpful. If your content isn't getting sales, it's because it's not top, middle, bottom of funnel intent. That was a lesson I learned in 2025. These are all scheduled date. What I love the most is the calendar feature. I love this feature, just so nice. Oops, Claude, I'm sorry, my software developer is beckoning my call. I have to, do you accept the plan? Oh, wow, this is a big plan. Do 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 do. Okay. Hard delete. Okay. API endpoints. Interesting. Why is he setting up API endpoints? Oh, okay. Oh, for features. Okay. Sorry. This is me learning software development, so I'm kind of like saying like, wow. I know, intense, right? I was looking at it, I was like, bro, like he put out a whole scope and like full functionality of it. He's like, John has credits to burn. John's warming up tonight. So new trash method. Sure, okay. And then also add the trash. Wow, an item display, checkbox, JavaScript, function for all, CSS, verification. Dang, do I? Oh yeah, I bet because you said soft. Oh, you used the right words, soft delete, and it was like, oh, it's it's like, oh, that's a big feature. I'm gonna hold off because this is pretty big. I'll implement this later. I don't feel like doing a big change like this right now. Uh, Create a like a new features roadmap or something in documentation or somewhere, and then save this there for future builds. Good to know. So you don't have to you don't have to always agree with Claude. He's like, got it, save it, cool. Because right now I'm jamming. I'm just creating. I've been troubleshooting and building and testing and API keys and optimizing and hitting bugs. So I'm so happy. It's like when you get a motorcycle. I don't have a motorcycle. I never had one, but I want one so badly. And it's like you're building it from scratch and you're like, "Oh, I'm building my motorcycle, build, 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 build," but you haven't rode it. Finally get to ride my motorcycle. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm like, I just want it to work and not go, hey Claude, fix a bug. Button didn't work. And Claude go, I fixed it. No, no. How's the B-roll? Check the log. How's the B-roll doing? Sometimes you do have to kind of check in on him in a little while. It has been quite long for 3 pieces of content. It should not take that long. It's like me putting the new GPN in there and I 4 hours later. I know. We just messed with one thing and it's like, uh, look at the terminal. Claude, that would be great. Claude is like, yes, I would like to see inside of your brain. I like the colors, like the Thanos rings. Assemble Thanos rings. Piece of content. Snap. Created. We should name this the Thanos content creator, where you snap a finger and 10 minutes later content gets created. I would get sued so fast by Disney. What if he's a Mexican Thanos? He's Jose Jesus. Thanos, Thamos. His name is Thamos. It's not Thanos, it's Thamos. Thamos. Thamos says create content like this. And content go. Stupid. Okay, hey, B roll. What happened to them? Hmm, that's weird. Let's take a look. Python 3 run.py. There we go. I feel like a hacker. Oh, shoot. Refresh. Okay, I think it's running. It's Cody did the names and the ideas, I know. Hey, let's check the status. Check waiting. So I wonder if no, it's port equals 5006 Python 3 run.py. Okay, perfect. No. Items between 55 to 57 need to be reset. We did avatar is done. Bulk change. Sorry, we hit a bug. I don't know why. I think we were messing with something on the back end. Okay, now 3 new processes are being sent off. I was like, it shouldn't take that long. Okay, so he's cooking. Anyways. Or some other things in here. Cool. Back to the curriculum, just to kind of share some kind of things. Week 3, gain into visual. That's like your Nana Banana. Google AI Studio. Oh, they're so Notebook LM is so good. Speaking of, I'll wait for it to stop lagging. Okay. Hi, if this is Notebook LM, if you haven't met Notebook LM, hi, Notebook LM, amazing human being. Amazing human being, Notebook LM. Notebook LM is amazing. You just upload a file, image, whatever. But it likes the rings, Lord of the Rings content. Oh, we gotta get some Lord of the Rings stuff. Okay, so now it's processing. We're gonna create a slide. Oh, it's done. Dope. Webinar presentation that just sells the program. Nice. So we place that in the order. Now we're generating a presentation slide deck. Oh my god, creating presentations is so hard. Oh my god, I gotta use Canva. Oh my god, Canva's so hard. Oh my god, my slides suck. Now we're creating a presentation slide deck. Let's do more. I want an infographic. Black and gold. Whoa, detailed. Standard. And then let's do an audio overview. Let's do mind map. Oh my god, we're drunk with clicking buttons. Oh, it's done. Nice. 90-day transformation. Wow, looks fancy. Month 1. What do you need to learn in AI? Need to learn AI literacy, prompting, Advanced media tips. That's VO3, Hagen Notebook LM. Jesus, you would think I was a college professor right now with this. Jesus, look out, Stanford, MIT. John's here. Dr. AI. Join Dr. AI Academy, where you get access to this curriculum. This is the curriculum we're teaching in the community. I hope you guys know. Workflow automation, NAN, APIs, 24/7 content pipeline, automated sales system, automated market system, high ticket sales funnel. That's how you make money. Program fundamentals, assisted coding, Python, LangChain, GitHub version control. Man, when I studied for my Salesforce certification, I wish I had this. Like, this would have been so great. Ooh, infrastructure, cloud hosting, railway security, monetization, paywalls, local LLM, home server. That could be fixed. That doesn't really make sense. Business mastery, go high level, cost optimization, tech products. Nice. Very nice. This is the whole reason I'm on TikTok now. Classrooms, right, Liberty? That's the game. That's like, honestly, TikTok. There's the whole what do they call it? Um, there's a name of an online college. It's like, I forgot the name. Shoot. Um, but yes, basically TikTok is where teachers are now live streaming. Everyone's live streaming at the end of the day. If your coach is consulting, it's no different than webinars and sales funnels. So that's where a lot of people are coming now to, honestly, just human connection. Like, honestly, just real shit. Let's be honest. That's why I'm here. Like, I could be doom scrolling, watching content that's like 6 months ago. Like, here, at least we're learning, playing with AI. You can play with Nano Banana for free. Please, please, please play with Nano Banana. It's free. Dump information in there, turn it into images, videos, infographics. Oh, let's look at the other stuff. Oh, I know, it's like a virtual classroom. Enhance, 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 enhance. Oh, there we go. Oh, man, these graphics are dope. Come on now. Come on. Boost productivity. These graphics are. I'm more interested on the graphics. Master AI. This is the AI system architect certification program. Develop AI customer solutions. Wow, look at this. Phase 3, working through automations. Look, it's got a little loopy loopy. It's like Mario Kart. Loopy. What is it? Rainbow Road. And then, oh, that looks dope. Hope you guys are taking screenshots. These look amazing. Substructure, key deliverables, advanced systems and business. I'm putting this on the website. Key deliverables for month 1. Wow. Advanced tools and content. AI literate. Look at that with Notion. That looks beautiful. I just, wow. Ooh, week 1 foundation. That looks cool. Lego mini city. Okay, what else? We got more in here. That was dope. Ooh, I feel sick, very sick. You just showed up and I did not catch it. Nice. Let's see. I hope you feel better, Liberty. Master platform, AI platforms. So there's your 4 wise men. And then you're going to build a personal assistant. This is dope. And then you should generate advanced AI content. All I did was tell it black and gold. I at least gave it that. I do love that. Just give it 2 colors. Deploy automated business systems. Launch. Learn AI programming. Save time. Improve revenue. Boost productivity. That's a dope frame right there. Look at that. What? What? Take a screenshot of that. Come on now. I'm trying to do graphic timelines right now. Ooh, that is magnificent. Phase 3 monetization expertise. Host your infrastructure, create monetization, run private LLMs. That's the holy grail. That's where we're going, David. Private LLMs. Running local. All of us are going to have a home server, right? Dr. K, check these out. These infographics are amazing. That's the journey. Your 90-day transformation journey. Oh, I'm downloading that. I am putting that on the website. What's up, Dr. K? Dr. K is going to crush live streams. Like, you're going to have your own talk show. It's going to go national. Like, and it's all going to be like from the comfort of, like, I'm not going to lie, your live streams are going to crush it. And then what else do we have in here? Oh, now we're doing, I want the slide deck. I want the slide deck. Give me the slides. Give me the slides. Give me the slides. Give me the slides. Oh yeah, Dr. K. Everyone. It's like just live stream. Honestly, trust. I know it's like scary. It's intimidating. You're like looking at the live stream. You're like, there's only 5 p.m. If there's only 2 people on, there's no people on. I'm freaking out. No, just live stream. Because then you create content, and we have a Opus Clip copy. Opus Clip clone, so we have a clipper. I gotta finish that app. That app's pretty good because then you can take long form content, clip it up, just post it. Honestly, I have it as another vibe coded app. I tell you, I don't want to do content. I don't like the fact that it's a full-time job. Annoys me. I want to automate everything about it. Everything. Like if you guys ever watched Sandlot, forever. Let that live rent free in your head. Yeah, so you need to repurpose my content. Yeah, that's the cool thing is like the thing with this app is that it can repurpose content. Like that's what this really can do. You know, I need to go. Oh. Why was the failure? Uh-oh. Why? I wouldn't know long hair story beginning with a phone number while middle of all my posts. The reason why they're failing, sorry, I'm looking at the Kai log. They're failing, like, because it should not take that long. It should not, but they're failing. This is good to know because if you troubleshoot your own and things are taking abnormally long, this is just so you know how to troubleshoot. Go to the service, check out the log at the service. We can see fail for not NS for that. Like the stuff really is like not that. We read the prompt. There's nothing in the prompt that's like that type of stuff. So super weird. What would it triggered? I don't know. I don't want to say it because maybe it'll trigger something else, but uh there's nothing not safe for work for those though. Wow. Wow, this is a lot of pages of failures. Oh, this is an issue. Hold on here. Hold on. Okay. So I need to go back to Claude. Fix this. Hey Claude, I looked at the log for the images that have been generated. They're all getting flagged for NSFW, error code 422, and here's a copy of the prompt. I don't see anything crazy in there, but we need to redo the prompt to make sure we don't go too crazy with the policy. But I think there's just one thing. I honestly think I think it's the phrase "a friendly woman" is the phrase, honestly, because I don't see anything else crazy in here that would. Maybe don't describe what she's wearing, maybe. Weird thing. So that's the challenge with like these API services. That's why I left OpenAI for it. Their policy error was outrageous. Like you couldn't get any videos generated. So there's like so many criteria. I spent a whole week just trying. Yeah. So when I was gone for vacation, I spent all of vacation just troubleshooting OpenAI prompts of like to make it safe for work, basically. I said a woman in a specific age. I think that's what flagged it. Just hands, right? No clue. Well, no, 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 no. Okay, just trying to like fine tune because Claude was like pretty easy. Like, no, I didn't want to get into testing, but fine tuning. There's still a lot to like optimize with this. By the end of the year, this thing is going to be a beast of an automation app. It's I'm gonna live clone live streaming if that's what it takes. Like I'm so invested in content automation now, only because I want it automated in my life, so that you don't have to create content. Just automate the damn thing. Buy you back time. Okay, item 50 to 57, reach prompt. Okay, cool. I don't think we burned any credits. We didn't burn any credits, so we're fine. Oh, and our slides are done. Our slides are done. Hold on. We gotta reset. Okay, refresh. Okay, refresh. We'll take this, this, and this. And change the status to we need to rewrite the scripts. Okay. Uh-oh. Hmm. That was weird. We'll just do this. Processed. I'm just kicking them back to the queue to go get reprocessed. It's like back of the line, go create new content, start over again. And then we have the automation app here. Boom, click the button. Now it's going to rewrite the script. Oh, we need to go back to the Sora prompt actually. Yeah, because yeah, the Sora prompt has to be regenerated. process. Now it's going to generate the Sora prompt. Okay. Now we're writing the Sora prompts for it. Nice. So that's a script. Dang, that Sora prompt looks exactly the same though. Yeah, it's giving the old prompt. Welcome to troubleshooting. Can you restart the server? Kill any other processes running on different ports? Because I just ran it back to stage idea to run it through, and it still wrote the original prompt, so I just need like a hard reset. Okay. Okay, so this is vibe coding. You find a new hobby, sit and relax. Yeah, trying to make some local music debugging. Yeah, when you're going debugging mode, you're gonna go through some iterations, put on some music, put on a movie in the background, maybe in some anime, and you're gonna go through iterations. He's gonna build it, he's gonna say it works, you're gonna test it, and you're gonna say no it doesn't. And he's gonna say, did you clear your browser cookies? And you're gonna say, I did it. And he's gonna be like, I don't know. And then you're going to ChatGPT, and then at 1 a.m. it's gonna magically work. The life of a developer. That's why we don't see daylight. We're like vampires. Server's running. New prompt is now loaded. Reset it back to idea, and then run it through. We should have it clear. First it failed because it needed Python 3 instead of Python. Server's already running on port 02. He's checking to see. Yeah, I have multiple servers running, which is kind of wild. Okay, there we go. Oh shoot, I wanted that page. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, they're in the queue. Now they're writing the Sora prompt. Now. Okay, wait, let's see. They're writing. Let's look at this slide deck right here. Come on. Look at that. We are in a new industrial revolution. Businesses that integrate AI into their core operations are building an insurmountable competitive advantage. Sorry, my brain is slowly dying. There are not They are not just using tools, they are creating new business models. Those that don't will become obsolete. There are no sidelines, right? This is the future. An automated, intelligent business. Increased revenue, increased productivity, increased time savings. Big chart, number go up. We want number to go up. It's like Bitcoin. Oh my god, the chaos. The chaos. Why businesses are failing to reach the future. Information overload, blah, 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 blah. Ooh. You don't need more information. You need a roadmap. That's one of the biggest things everyone wants. Actually, starting off, yes. It's like, that's why I put together the curriculum, like start to finish, the entire curriculum, because also it's in the community. Take that curriculum, give it to ChatGPT, say assess me, and then it gives you a personal roadmap. That's like basically whatever, so that you know where you are from base level one to like AI developer, basically systems architect. I guess I'm using that phrase. And ooh, makes me look professional. Notebook LM. This is just Notebook LM. And all I said was just black and gold, my brand colors. So just like two, I think the tip is just more like pick two colors for your brand colors. And then whenever you do prompts, Nano Banana, anything Nano Banana, I just say my brand colors and just mention two colors. I think that's a great tip. This is dope. Excuse me. This is like, wow. These are the things you should be learning. One of the links on my largest posts is a Claude interview GitHub. Oh, yeah, that you posted in the community. I did see that. That is very interesting. Highly recommend. When David posts, there's a lot of goodies there. Personal assistant, custom GPTs, fully functional AI avatar, optimized GenSpark presets that does your office work. Systems. Personal automated marketing, an AI avatar that publishes optimized content for your social media platform 24/7. High ticket sales system, complete automated client system, website, CRM, email, payment processing all in one. It's basically go high level, honestly. Just get go high level. Just it's done. Done. Intelligent gathering, automated system for marketing research. Key skills, self hosting, monetization, advanced systems. We do need to add like ManyChat type stuff in here. Self host NAN, website first, app deployed and secured, how to do monetization, how to run local private LLMs. Like these are dope. What is this? You don't just learn, you build. Ah, if you guys want to know a fun fact, the original name for my business was called Global Builders Club because I wanted to teach you guys the skills of basically tech skills so that you can build. Do you recommend go high level? Yeah. See, here's the thing. You need a CRM, you need a website, you need a sales system, you need an automated webinar funnel, basically, kind of thing. Just set it all up and go high level. You could, like, technically, you don't. Like, short answer is always you don't, because you could vibe code everything, basically. But if you want your email, sales system, um, a I would recommend go high level because now you're ready to just run ads to a webinar and just funnel traffic. So you need a system that has the infrastructure that scale. I don't recommend vibe coding like your marketing and sales tech stack. Just get go high level. That's a good point too, because like you can vibe code the website and then embed it in go high level. You just need like the payment processor, the CRM, the automation, pretty much. Um, but you could get by, I mean, you could vibe code your own, but when you vibe code your own, you end up more with technical debt. Sure, the cost is low, but you end up spending more time fixing, customizing everything. So that's why it's kind of good to learn when you're developing, but for marketing and sales, it's like, no, no, no. More important is a polished 1 hour webinar that sells your product at a 40% conversion rate. That's more important. You need to polish the sales presentation that if you take cold traffic and put them through this 1 hour webinar, they accelerate the know, like, and trust, see the value in what you're offering, and buy. Like that is, and then it's just traffic on that funnel, basically. Is this part of the vibe coding class or a separate class? This is part of the whole community. Basically, this is the whole curriculum I'm kind of taking the community through, just in classes, basically. And then I do it one on one with clients. So it's like the community, we're going in classes, and I have courses. So it's like more affordable. And then you can also like binge the content as well too if you're not informal. It's not on school, it's similar on Circle. Just an online platform, no different than school. You could binge all the content, mobile app, send me direct messages. And then some people just want one-on-one. So they just want me to work with them sometimes one, two, twice, or three times a week. And then I just meet with them. I have the roadmap, and we literally start from the finish and just check off. So send me a direct message, Pete, and I'll send you for the one-on-one coaching. You guys could just DM me one-on-one coaching, and then I'll send you all the information. But it's the same roadmap, so all the same stuff we're teaching. You go from manual, scattered, nothing's integrated to AI systems architect, automated marketing and sales, increase in productivity, increase revenue because you're actually putting out content and you collect leads and nurture leads and warm them up and close. 24 hours saved because we're saying, what was that, 24 times 7? So, okay, 7. That means even if we round it up, I have to save you 4 hours a day. That is so easy to do. Like, so easy to do just by changing Mac, just by changing the basic fundamentals. I don't even have to get into automations to save you 4 hours a day. I just have to look at what you're doing. Carlos says, what you worked on tonight, is it the same thing you gave us access to in GitHub? Yes. And actually in GitHub, I think I'm going to be changing it. Instead of GitHub, I'm going to give you Railway access in your own sandbox. That way, you don't have to deal with GitHub and downloading and then deploying like any of that. In that, in with this new work, I literally just just changed this workflow like 6 hours ago, so bear with me. With the new workflow, I use your email and I give you access to a Railway account that has the software already running, already deployed. All you have to do is insert your own API keys, and you're done. You're ready to go. You get the same software as you see here. Looks, walk, talk, everything. The only difference is this way you don't have to do like GitHub and download it to like your VS Code, and then you gotta push it out, you gotta fork it, and then you gotta push it to Railway. I don't want to throw you guys like, you guys are gonna learn that eventually, but as a quick experience to kind of like, and also for me learning how I could quickly build an app, deploy an app, and also for me it's like deploying updates is a thing for me learning. So that way you guys just get a Railway account. You'll get the GitHub or it already has the instance installed on it, and then you just hook up your API keys and you're off to running. Just load up the app, dump your content in here, just paste it, or your text. Get your HeyGen avatar, and then once you pop them in, oh, did you? Okay, he's not on auto mode. That's why. GitHub is more developer friendly. GitHub, you have to do it all. He's moving to Railway, so it's a setup better for you. I will eventually, where this is going, I eventually will have this app so that you just pay a subscription and then you get access to it, so that you don't even have to deal with Railway. It would look like any other software as a service app. I think I'm eventually going to get to that stage. So being David, we're going to have a conversation pretty soon. I am going to consult with you. So, but I think that's eventually, because I want the average user to be able to use this without having to do Railway deploy. They just sign up, enter it's slowly getting there where you could personalize it. So it's becoming universal for any business. You can do this for any business. Like we were doing pets, we were doing becoming authors, e-commerce, coaching, consulting. And I would just pop in scripts and it just pops out content, your avatar. And the models would get better. So okay, he said, are they processing? B-roll, B-roll. And then let me look at Kai right now, see if Kai is happy. I want to see green. Show me some green. No, you're still kind of fail. One is running. Or you still use some of these old prompts. So I noticed he sent the same. This task ID. Because then on the other side too, now I could deal with all the bugs, just push a nice software update. Looking at Kai, they're still failing, and looking at, I think we generated a new prompt, but looking at it, I'm still seeing the same, it might be the same error message, but even with the new one, it's running the same prompt. It's like saying a friendly woman in her 30s. That's what's causing the flag. So do I need to hard restart the server or just move them back to IDEA? And then also I noticed when I was when I push it in auto mode, sometimes, especially when I change statuses, it doesn't kind of enable or go through as well too. So what do I need to do to reset? Oh, and then also fix it so the prompt does that. I think it's just kind of a caching kind of thing. Cool. So have your talk with your AI developer. You're going to go through iterations till you're happy with it. You're going to fix bugs. But I'm excited. I think this will be really good for literally done for you content. If you download the content and upload it on your phone, it will get more views. We are working on a new feature where, because the content automation it will publish, but there's a caveat to that. Mostly TikTok and Instagram, they don't like the automation. It will throttle your views for sure. Like you won't get as many views for your automated content as you would the other stuff. Just a little caveat. It will get better, but we're working on updates to bypass that. Probably just browser automation is what we're going to get into. Browser OS. Browser OS is an API service that you can send a request to and it will autonomously navigate a website to do anything. Go to this website and LinkedIn and respond to all my LinkedIn comments. Browser OS. Yeah, so we're going to try either Browser OS or some looking at different strategies to kind of just improve that. Because once the production process will get a little smoother. I'm building browser automation too if it doesn't work. That is one if you could do it for mobile phones, it's no different than like a content farm. Like they do it with like a bunch of it's part of your suite. Ooh, we will get there. Okay. So he's going through, he's fixing it. I'm not gonna lie, it is really addicting working with Claude to. I learned if you press Command Shift R. Yeah, I learned if you press Command Shift R, it does a hard reset for the browser or for that page, I think. I learned that, and I was like, oh, that's handy. They're all back to AI. Go ahead and start working on them, little guy. Okay, it's kind of confetti. It's the little things. Article scraped. Now generating the Sora prompt, looking good. Ooh, let's look at the slides. We'll check that in a moment. These are nice. Your essential software stack, nice. Hardware requirements. So this is why just saying start using Nano Banana Pro for your presentations changes everything. Oh, I like that. I like that. This is not a course. This is a guided implementation. Was this what you want to see, Pete? Or go farther? Take screenshots. Please take screenshots. Take screenshots. Maybe this one. Further up. Oh, this one. So this is the toolkit. And then that's it. That's the best tech stack right there. Best of the best. Minimum hardware requirements. Dual monitor setup. Nice. I'm gonna download this and post this on LinkedIn. Not bad, huh? It's just content at the end of the day. All it is, use Notebook LM and create mind maps, presentations, infographics. I think you even create a video. Wait, that's a presentation. Oh, I didn't create video. I should probably create video. Liberty, have a great night. Hope you have a blessed week. I'll put this in the oven for it. Gotta have that X20 monitor set up. I mean, oh yeah. I'm like, hey, you should be like doing your thing. Where's that? Yeah, there's some good stuff in here. That's wild. Oh, he's done. Did you generating scripts? Wait, why did that one, the voice not get generated? Oh, he's just going through everything. Little by little. Generate captions, interesting. Should leave this and he should fix. Okay. He's doing captions. Ah. Okay, we're good. He's fixed it. Fixed the prompt. Okay, I feel good now. Let's see if he auto works. I don't know, when I toggle the button for auto, even when I turn it off and then on, it doesn't seem to like start the process for like the stuff that's in the middle, like step number 5 for generating voice. Fix the automation. Don't make me do the work. Don't make me press the buttons. You do all the work, computers. You do all the work, not me. Not me. You're meant to do the laborious work, not for humans. No, humans are meant for creativity, for art, for love, for passion. Not press buttons on. Okay. Is it working? He is kind of. Oh, I see the issue. Full Atom to the right only handles items of specific things. Let me check the dashboard to see what's happening. Auto toggle. Okay, cool. He's fixing my auto button. I really like that button. Like, of all the features, if you can code an auto button into everything that you do in life, wouldn't you like that? You're like, I don't want to wash dishes. Auto mode. It can automate the whole thing. We got the 12K. Congratulations to each and every one of you for making it to 12,000 likes. Cheers to you guys. You guys are up late. Is this really better than doom scrolling? Vibe coding. Oops, he's done. What are you celebrating? Fix the voice tones in the processable status. Sure, server should auto reload debug mode with the watchtower summary. Fix the Sora auto mode. Not picking up the voice. Added voice to make that. Okay. Oh, okay, that's good. So when you go to auto mode, does that? Okay, push. Push to GitHub. Which then it auto pushes to Railway, and then it's available on the web, which is like wild. Ah, much better, much better. Now he's taking the work off my plate using the auto mode. Okay, so we should get some new APIs from there. Da-da-da. These came out really good. That's the whole roadmap. Talk about a picture's worth 1,000 words. This is the real thing. I'm gonna post this on LinkedIn tonight. How you doing? Okay, looks like he's done. Oops. Okay, he's fixed the avatar stuff. Good. Now he should be generating B-roll and okay, here we go. We should not see fail. Oh, okay, we're good. He only sent one API request, which is kind of strange. Because I feel like he would create or send multiple. Can you check the API status for each of the videos that were sent to Kai that are in pending? I'm not sure if some failed, but I think I can only see one in there. And it looks like you have like 3 or 4 processing. What state am I in? I am in the state of exhaustion. I know what you're referring to. I don't know what state. I am in Mexico. Let me check the task ID. It's like, fix the code. Fix the code. Don't make me do this by myself. That's where a lot of with Claude is really just killing time. You're just a lot of downtime. With Claude, you need a hobby. Done. Da, 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 reset the items to the avatar status. They would have the new da, 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 ready from Kai. Success. Blank. Failed. No prompts. At least they didn't charge us anything. Now toggle mode on and off to process them. Check waiting. Okay, so avatar done. Okay, cool. So he's ready. He says he's ready. Avatar done. Bulk status change. Avatar done. Ooh, bulk status change. Fancy. No, it's called Star Trek: The Next Generation, except for your fate. Oh, we need Star Trek playing in the background. Have you guys seen the Star Trek dude that live streams? Like he's Spock. Have you seen Spock live? I'm sure you've seen Spock live stream. Dude is dedicated. Like dedicated. I love the passion. And then he battles other Trekkies. It's the best. It is the best thing ever. I'm like, they got the props or the setup. I love the guys that put a whole studio together, and I'm like, he's got sound effects and everything, and boop, 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 boop. It's so dope. Oh, I was impressed. Like, was like scrolling on when you're like doom scrolling. It's almost like if you ever watch Rick and Morty, you know how they have that like television box cable from another dimension, and they're going through different channels and it's like different dimensions. Like that's basically what TikTok is. You're just scrolling and you're just hopping in different dimensions of people like different hobbies are and you'll learn a new hobby a day where you're like, wow, I didn't think that was a hobby, but now I know. It's so funny. So entertaining. Okay, let's check Kai. Hopefully. Yeah, what the heck? Do we have. I don't see any new logs. Do I have enough credits? Oh. Check. I want you to double check the API. Is there an error message that I don't have enough credits? Because I'm pretty sure I do need to refill, guaranteed. So just confirm, because if that's the case, we do need an error message that lets the member know that they need to refill Kai. But I'm pretty sure we like got an error message that we're low on credits last time. Interesting. I know. Okay, so let me refill here because that's definitely why he's not. Gotta load up some more credits. And which, Jesus. API credits are not cheap. Enable auto top ups. No, I don't want to enable. I'm too paranoid to enable to auto top ups because what if something goes rogue? Okay, cool. Refresh. We have more credits. Good news. They are handling our existing code. The code shows bureau filled and sufficient records. Suspension of an orchestra. Bottom line, you need to refill Kai. Once refilled, the avatar done. But why didn't you detect that? Oh. The user didn't scroll to the top where obvious error message was like, hey, this, can we make that a pop-up? That would be great. Okay, we fixed it. Because I'm burning all the tokens. That exists on the internet now. Okay, so back to avatar done. I want all the credits. Detect. And now we should be able to, yep, win software, oh yeah. I'm like, burn all the credits. Just burning tokens all day. Ah. Oops. I spent a lot of tokens already. Uh-oh. Okay. 2, 4, 2, 4, 8. Okay, yeah, no, it's not that many. It's okay, good. Okay, now it's working. That whole bug was just fixing a prompt and adding more credits. That should fix this workflow. We should now be able to full steam ahead, finish these B-rolls, get them posted, have a wonderful night, and sleep well knowing that I didn't have to panic and go, what content to post? I didn't have to freak out and be like, oh, I hate content recording, because I hate content. I hate content as much as you do. Like, the fact that I'm like, I'm tired, but I gotta... No, no one's real on content. Like, the fact that I'm gonna put this dude...
How many hours?
I have so much work for this guy to do. He is now my front-facing representative. He doesn't get tired. He doesn't make mistakes. He doesn't call or like complain. He shows up on time. Sure, he'll miss an API call here and there. I'll let that slide. But oh boy, I am gonna put this dude to so much more. And this is just the old version. This isn't even a polished version. There's ones that are better than this one. This is like the Terminator T0. Wait till you see the Terminator T3. The T3 version is gonna be sick. And this whole time, it's gonna be crazy with like TJI. We have come such a far way from when we first started. Is that not obnoxious? Look, I don't like looking at myself either. But it's so weird. Am I real? Is this all a simulation? Okay, I think things are processing. We don't have any errors. That's one of the biggest things, is fixing the prompt for the image and videos to get around the policy errors. The policies on these image and video tools are so restrictive. That's why you want to run local, pretty much. That's one of the main things. Cool beans. I'm just gonna let this work in the background. I think he's good now. I think we fixed the... We'll test it, but I think he's fixed, kind of thing. Let me... Perfect. Go ahead and update the documentation and the versions, and then push this update to GitHub. Hey, software developer, I want you to do all this extra stuff. Kind of want him to... Well, he's going to just be working tonight. I'm just going to have some content bumping in the background, or just processing once we have this workflow down. We just placed an order for like... It's like placing an order for pizzas. We just ordered like so many pizzas. See, that's why I want to be in the SaaS game. I want to be in the SaaS token game. That's where the margins are way better, I think. Because I think more people are going to just pay for tokens for end results. Like, pay a token, get a lead. Pay a token, get a document. Pay a token, here's your work done. That's going to be the main thing. Okay, API's happy. He's going to be processing, and this is working. Cool beans. Awesome. So, recap. You can get this app. Oh, he's done. What'd you finish? Oh, finished a video. Yo, yo, yo. Yo. Okay, wait, time out. He's almost done. He's like 1 minute away and he's editing the video. We're going to look at a video right now. Finally. Show me what you got. Give me the file. How much have we spent so far on this? These are just re-edits, so that's why it went up. It doesn't like reset, it just accrues, so that's why it's not technically $2. It's still $1.69. It hasn't changed. But since we've been running these records over and over and over, that's why you see low cost. But it's almost done. We're back on the motorcycle. We're back to cruising. It's like da, 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 da. That's if you ever get into FPV, first person view, drone flying. I'm not talking DJI. I'm talking like racing, like those three racing and acrobatic ones. The whole hobby is build, fly, crash, repair. Build, fly, crash, repair. That's the whole hobby. So you fly for a little while, it breaks, you're sad. That's software programming. It works for a little while. You want to add one little feature, it breaks, you're sad. Then it works again. Then you add another feature, it breaks, you're sad. And then it comes back again. Joy. The joy of a software developer is like, it works, it broke, it works, it's broken. Just don't look at it. It works, I swear. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look at it.
How many hours did you work last week? 50, 60, 80? And how many of those hours were spent on tasks AI could have done in 10 minutes? The brutal truth is you're not busy because you have too much work. You're busy because you're doing work manually that should be automated. Last week, a client showed me his schedule: 15 hours creating content, 8 hours on client emails, 6 hours building presentations. We automated all of it. Now he works 20 hours less per week. Same revenue, better quality actual weekends. The difference isn't working harder. It's having infrastructure that works while you don't. Want to see exactly how? Comment time and I'll send you the exact automation roadmap that bought him back 20 hours per week.
Oh, people will comment on that for sure, too. Look at the thumbnail. You would think I'd have a lot of money with all the outfits I'm changing my with that. I really don't have that many outfits. My closet is just black. I could actually make it look like I have some fashion sense, which I have no fashion sense. Just but it makes me look color coordinated. Work. I don't have to do no more. Work no more. Work. Oh, now we have to do the last part. We'll click the schedule button. Boop. Now it's scheduling. And then it'll get added to the calendar. Ooh, why is that one yellow? Why is that one yellow? Oh, ready to post? Oh, because that, okay, I know why. Yeah. Because he's, oh, there he goes. He's posted. Okay, so he posted. And then I think it's this one, if I'm not mistaken. Also, we can see a week view. I need to fix this. The week view is not bad. It could look a little better. But see how consistent it is? It just finds the next time slot and just starts stacking like Legos. See, it just starts stacking there. They'll stack. It'll put the next one here, put the next one there. That's like, I love that feature. Like, that's such a great feature. Okay, he's done scheduling. We should see it appear here. Don't blink. I think he'll appear right here if the app works. I think I got to refresh. Let me refresh. Oh, maybe you put him here. Yeah, you're working 80 hours a week. How many hours did you work last week? 56. Okay, okay, I was looking at the wrong place. He was actually put him, refresh, here. Okay, I gotta make that a little better. But it put it right here. So it put it for 6 p.m. tomorrow. That's where I posted it. So you will see this video 6 p.m. tomorrow, Thursday. This is where we just start stacking wins. Just start stacking W's. The way that song, all I do is win, all I do is win, dun 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 dun. I'm not a rapper. Everything that goes up, and I went in the da 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 da. I know tones, but I don't know. But like, oh yeah, this is. So yeah, this is not bad for like. And again, the more you play with them. Oh, okay, this one's done. So you can see that one's now scheduled for tomorrow. This guy is ready to go. Let's take a look at him real quick. Dark K is dancing.
How many hours did you work last week? 50, 60, 8?
Nice. It's the same exact thing because we just repurposed the same content. The only thing different is just gonna be call to action at the end. So chill. Schedule. Scheduling. And then this guy's going to be processing. He's almost done. He's a straggler. Straggler. I hope there's no like error message. Look at that. Where's... I'll check it out later. I think that's pretty good. Thumbnails processing, B-rolls processing, record 40. Okay, he's good. There he is. So you should now, perfect, yeah. Generate the thumbnail. Let's take a look at the thumbnail. Very nice and clean. These work great for YouTube. Like the thumbnails are really for like YouTube and Instagram, pretty much. They look real nice. Wait a minute, that looks so freaky weird. In that freaky detail? Don't trust anything. If you see me rob a bank, it was not me. I did not rob that bank. I did not. Officer, that's AI. I have so much content out there. It's all AI. I haven't live streamed for like 6 years. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so he's finishing that. We'll just wait till the last button and then we'll call it them out. A minute. Massive, right? It's a lot of all this pixels. Pixels. I'm just going to click the schedule button. So we spent a couple extra dollars just testing, but well worth it. We don't have to do content every day. We're just, oh, okay, now he's done. Because we got to press the final button. It's the final countdown. My neighbors hate me. If you were my neighbor, you would really hate me because I'm loud and I work at home all day. Da-na-na-na. And I entertain myself. So, quick plug, my book, Press Go, is coming out on Amazon pretty soon. Just going to plant that seed. But you could do stuff like this. Just press go. Just press a button. Content, automation, work, simple. Found a way where you can do 4x upscale better than Res. Probably doing the same. Ooh, let me know. That would be very interesting. Because I want to enhance core or enhancer alternative. There's enhancer is like a AI tool that adds like pores. Like, let me show you guys this. Okay, wait for it to stop lagging. Okay, cool. This is an enhancer. All AI looks plastic. That's what my avatar looks like. He looks plastic. I don't know how to find him. Enhancer adds pores. AI, enhancer. AI, enhancer. So That's what I want to do to mine. Because they were like, oh, plastic AI, make it look full, add flaws. So crazy, right? I'll create a 1020 and do 4x upscale enhancer imaging. I want my own computer so I could, or server, so I could do stuff like that. See, AI, that one, that's a little too much. It's a little too much. Crazy. Supports 4K. Yeah. It's the little things. I don't think this is an enhancer. I think this just makes your character look like he got back from the gym. I think that's all it does. Just put a couple sweat pores. That's it. Super detailed, right? I want to find there's alternatives to this. They're a little expensive for what you want. So because hold on. Down oh wait, NS clone. Avatar, Jonathan Acuna, digital twin. Kinda. Shoot. That's the plastic guy. I thought I had... I'll find it later. Darn. I have a more higher resolution picture of him that we're going to be using soon. So the picture for him is going to be really upscaled. I swore I thought I put it in here, which was... Yeah, that would have been it. Man, I could have swore I put... Anyways, these are all my avatar clones. Just testing Nano Banana Pro. That's ideogram. Kinda. This is all ideogram. Well, it's not bad. Oh, Dolly, the old versions. I think this is just Nano Banana. I think we'll end here on a hummingbird. Spirit animal. Perfect. I wish each and every one of you have a blessed day and a wonderful rest of your week. I want to send you lots of nothing but joy and abundance to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for hanging out on my live streams. Hope you learned something new. We'll live stream again tomorrow and continue and learning a little more every day. And tomorrow in the community, we're going to be continuing vibe coding. And with vibe coding, we're going to be Claude Code, and we're going to build... I think we may build the board of directors or board of councils. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. Have a wonderful night, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.